Now you need to go to the left
Okay, so.
of the point you want. Good, you're there. Where are you? Going anywhere you want. Oh, okay, it's right. Okay, so we're going to this point, right? So to the left of it, enter. To the right of it, enter.
What?
So it's basically saying it's looking
Why are you
for where
laughing?
it crosses zero between here and here, and you hit enter again. Get it?
You dropped it twice.
Yes. That's why it says left on it, actually. Where you go like it's above it, below it?
Yeah.
It has to go left and right. Right.
That's what I always do
And then
too.
you go to second count,
See the.
0. Okay, so your left bound right to enter. Left bound means just left of this point, and then you're gonna go above it.
Yep, and then.
Good, set right down, enter, and enter again. Point 725. All right.
Just like right below it.
All right, I'm gonna give you a second to finish up. He's just hanging out. All right, now there's another way. Okay, I'm waiting. Do you need more time? You will not. Katie, don't do that thing.
Okay, no, I'm good now. I got it.
Show me.
Okay, I'm pretty sure I have it.
Uh.
I don't know, my yeah, everything. From there, right?
Okay.
And
And you already hit second calc 0?
Yeah.
Then why is it not asking for left bound?
No.
Okay, so second calc.
I don't know.
Did you do second calc?
I did.
Okay. And now it says left bound, and you can't hit up and down.
Yep, and I wasn't.
Great. So now we're left of where we want,
Right.
and then we're right of where we want, and then you hit enter. And there it is.
No, this is something I didn't.
I know, I'm magic when I look at calculators.
I guess you are.
Kids are always like, my calculator's messing up, and I'm like, show me. And they're like, I mean, it didn't this time, but it normally does. Mason, get off mine. So, Jackson. Jackson, have a seat right now.
That's my phone.
Okay, so everybody understands how to do this on your calculator?
Can you go from step one?
Like,
Jackson.
No, like the zoom, like.
Just hit zoom 6.
Okay, like you want to write down what,
Wait,
like
I
the
don't press
directions?
second, I just press,
All right, so everybody look up. First you go to y equals.
oh, I press Windows.
I'm writing this down right now for you. If you ignore me right now, Jackson, I'm gonna be so mad at you.
Okay.
Okay, you put y equals and you put in the equation, right? And then you hit zoom 6. And that gives you your 10 by 10 screen, or negative 10 by 10 for x and y. And then you hit second calc, 0. And then you have to do a left bound and a right bound and a guess. And that gives you the answer. All right. So that's one way you can do it. You can do it by just basically using your calculator. Another way is by factoring. So we're going to try that. So let's try this one. X squared plus 2x minus 8 equals 0. All right, who wants to risk it all by telling me how to factor? Get a prize. I'm not doing this with partners, just be brave. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4.
If you make like the X.
So just a regular x, yep.
Yep, and then you put the negative 8 on top, and then 2x on the bottom. And the things that multiply together would be negative 2 and positive 4.
Okay. So it ends up being x minus 2 and x plus 4, right? All right, now, do you remember doing this with Thorson where you solve it now? Okay, so I need you all to pay attention, especially you, because you're going to ask me this 50 times because you care, which I appreciate, but pay attention now. Okay, do you guys understand that if I plugged in an x right now, that this would just be a number inside the parentheses, right? Like if it was 5, it'd be 5 minus 2, which is 3, right? It'd just be a number. So this is a number times a number equals 0. If you have two numbers and you multiply them with each other and you get 0, what do you know about those numbers?
One of them's 0.
One or both of them are 0, right? Is there any instance where you could have two numbers that you multiply with each other and you get 0, but they aren't 0?
No.
Yeah, what about opposite ones? What if it was 4 and negative 4? Nope, we're multiplying. So do we get you negative 16, right? So one of them has to be 0. Everybody understand? So that's the theory behind this. So to solve this problem, all you would do is set each factor equal to 0 like this. So this is the case that the left parenthesis is equal to 0, and this is the case that the right parenthesis is equal to 0. And then you solve them. So this one you'd add 2 to both sides, and you get 2. This one you'd subtract 4 from both sides, and you end up with negative 4. So let's try this together right now. We just got our answer. That's how you factor and solve a quadratic. It's pretty easy. Go to y equals. Y equals on your calculator. We're going to put in x squared plus 2x minus 8. Like this, okay? And then you're going to hit graph or zoom 6. We already hit, guys, it automatically assumes that you want the same window as last time. So since we already made it 10 by negative 10, you can just hit graph instead, or you can hit zoom 6, whichever one you like. Your graph should look like this. Is everybody there? Hand up when you're there.
So when you enter it in the y equals, then you just hit.
You can just hit graph, or you can hit zoom 6. Zoom 6 gives you a 10 by 10 grid, but the only reason we're doing that is just in case a kid in a previous class messed up the window. You ready, or you need help?
No, I'm ready.
Okay, are you ready? Sweet. All right, so do you guys see where the answers are? I mean, that it's at -1, -2, -3, -4 is one of them. You see it? And +2 is the other? Yeah.
When I graph mine, it always puts like these 3 lines at the bottom.
Oh, you probably have other stuff in your y equals. Go to your y equals. Okay. Alright. Well, good thing we found this out now. Because I have to wipe the memory of your calculator, which is good because that would really suck if I had to wipe it after you wrote your program. Alright, let's try again. Let's try x squared plus 2x minus 8. Zoom 6, yeah. All better?
Yep.
Okay. So does everybody see how the zeros on here are -4 and 2, just like we said there's going to be? Okay? So, everybody write this down on your paper. A 0, an x-intercept, solving. These all mean the same thing. So if somebody asks to find the 0 of an equation, they mean find the x-intercept. Okay? All right, we're going to try one more. So what you're going to do is you're going to factor this, and then you're going to confirm that that's the right answer in your calculator. Your assignment's going to be super short, and I'm going to let you do some of them on your calculator and just get the answer, and some of them I'll make you factor. Unless you want to argue with me, and then I'll make you factor all of them.
No, it's not.
You just